if you really want to do something in your life, Think and Grow Rich is must. Please join this program if you want to really see the success. Okay, this is the single highest ever sales. The value is 6.75 crore.
If you would like to have a similar success story, just click on the link below and enter our academy, and we will make sure that you go to the next level. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. Today we have got a very interesting personality, Mr. Ronak Desai, who is the National Sales Head of Jeff Techno Solutions. National Sales Head. A year back, he was a BDM, a Business Development Manager, and he has achieved the National Sales Head position with a single short order of 6.75 crores. He has got this interview with me. So may I request Ronak, congratulations. Why don't you introduce yourself, please?
Thank you. Firstly, Siddharth sir, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to, with all gratitude, I would really like to thank you and want the blessings from you that the perception paradigm has entirely changed since last 8 months, and I don't even believe that. Is this the corona going on in my life, because whatever I have achieved and I am realizing the success during the corona time, and I can do wonders in a normal course of time. So yes, I am representing Jeff Techno Solutions, Bangalore based company. We are all across India, and now we have started our first overseas branch in Corona time, that is in Abu Dhabi, and I am contributing as a national sales head of technical services. Only for services division, I am heading the national operations. So. Okay, I started my journey 4 years back as a fresh sales guy. My initial 8 years I spent in operation as an operation and maintenance electrical engineer. I had no sales background, but uh, one burning desire and the passion to do the job, passion for the services, that has led me to take over into the sales operation. And that one decision, again one decision, that is changing now my life. So
What was that
I'm
decision?
really, that decision, immediate decision, was that I want to leave the current job, which is operation and maintenance, and I want to go into the market. I want to meet the people, I want to see the people, and let's enjoy this sales profession.
Awesome.
So
So tell us,
that
Ronak,
was,
what is the success story? What is your
yeah.
success story right now? I mean,
Yeah, so it's very interesting, and this success story started. Actually, this case is started. Okay, this is the single highest ever sales in technical services. No product, no project. This is only consulting services, we can say, and the value is 6.75 crore from the single short customer.
wow.
So yes, so only from one customer and only for services. So even today also, I just feel that okay, what has happened to my life, and this has really raised the bar. What you can achieve
Is it a record in your
even with
company?
this. Yes, it is a single highest ever sales in the company history as well. So, of course, it is my single highest sales which I have achieved, and this is company's single highest sales in technical services. And when we started the services operation, I was okay new at that time, and we were just thinking that okay, what can be the maximum order value of consulting job? Can be a 2 crore, 3 crore. That's all. What can be a maximum? But this is 6.75 crore. I
Wow.
mean, there is no. See, that's what I keep on reading. Only limitation it is in our mind. There is
Amazing.
otherwise no limitation.
Very nice.
So
So tell us, Ronak,
this is how.
about you. So you told me that you entered our academy, and you had this goal card made for your promotion, and you achieved that goal card. The goal after 26 days of your date of a goal card, as I
Yeah,
remember that.
yeah.
26th of July, 24th of July, you achieved your goal.
Yeah, 26th of July, I achieved my first goal.
Yes.
And these are the goal cards. Okay, this is one old one, and immediately when I achieved it,
Yeah.
immediately I replaced it with a new one.
Right.
So on a next day, I replaced it with a new one with a new deadline, because these things are working.
Right.
And now today I am at, sir, I am very proud to say, today I am at I have completed 220 days of this journey, seeing this gold card, listening this all nightingale, getting up at 5 o'clock and just read the Think and Grow Rich, just
Wow.
study that. So
Wow.
220 days, and literally it has become now part of the habit.
So do you do
So
this every day? Listen to the same video every
every
day.
day, not a single day I have missed. And wherever I go, wherever, if I am on a sales tour or business tour, I keep this gold card with me. There are gold cards in my car as well.
Wow.
So I keep that in my car also, in my office bag also.
Yeah.
So I keep this because this is the thing which I get motivation, and this
So tell
keeps
me,
on
tell me
remind me.
one thing, Ronak. So people who will be watching this interview, they will be saying, okay, this is one more online program. Okay, I will make my goal cards on my own. Why should I join the academy? I mean, what are the things which you learn, especially the law of compensation and the weekly mastermind? Can you just share about some things?
Uh, Sir, this is not the online program. First of all, let me tell you very honestly, this is not the online program. There is a major purpose behind this program, and if you find that purpose within you, I think you will achieve the results. So the beauty about this program is structured in a very simple manner. See, I mean, it starts with a very basic purpose goal, first what we want, and then apply your faith, then have a mastermind, then go the extra mile, then pleasing the personality, then entire it completes the circle, it completes the 90 days. So that is one thing, and all online programs are very simple. So I keep on I suggest people, I give advice to the people in our academy that whatever is asked in this video to do, please focus on
Honey,
those
Ronak,
things.
your phone is ringing. Is your phone ringing?
Sorry, sir.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah. So can I start?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So and I keep on saying people that and repeatedly see those videos. Repetition plays a wonderful magic. So repeatedly see the video. And another point, mastermind call Friday since April 26th April 2020. I have never missed a single mastermind call.
Awesome.
So even last Friday also, when I was traveling from Chennai to Mumbai, and immediately as soon as I landed in Mumbai, I started I joined this mastermind call. So these are all beauty of this program.
So do you think that this kind of weekly support which we give to you every week, Friday, continuously, this is for lifetime, correct?
Yeah, this is for a lifetime, and in fact, it was not the part of program. So see, you have gone the extra mile, and that's what we have learned.
Thank you so
Yes.
much. So Ronak, you mentioned about in the email that you applied these principles and to share the success story in the context, because it's so difficult for for any normal person to analyze that.
Yeah.
From a business development manager, you have now become the national sales head in a gap of about 8 to 10 months, maximum a year, right?
Yes.
Typically, how much time does it take from your region? Because you're managing only Gujarat region at that point of time.
Yeah.
Now you are in all across India, even in Dubai. So how much time does it take for a normal person? How much time did you take?
I started my journey 4 years back as a fresh area manager. 1.5 year, I was promoted to regional business development, and just in 1 year time, I have become the national sales head, and I am heading the team for this sales, and that too is technical sales. This is all conceptual sellings, highly technical. So answering your questions, what are the principles which I strongly believe, which is a sales person can straight away apply, or any employee, the law of compensation and going the extra mile. These are the two principles which I mean, you can every year you can get promotion. Forget
Brilliant.
2 years, 3 years. Every year you can get promotions.
The way
So
you are saying it, you make it sound so easy. Every year I can get promotion, and people in Corona time would be wondering, I mean, which planet you are from, every year you can get promotion. You have
yeah,
worked
because
on a big system, right?
because that's a power. That's a power, and this is the law. So it has to work. Okay, only the thing is persistently you have to apply it and you have to pay the price. This is very important. You have to pay the price.
Right.
So the law of compensation, it
Can you
has
just
worked.
elaborate on the law of compensation? What is law of compensation?
See, a law of compensation. There are three major key points. That the need of what you do. Second is the ability of what you do, and third is the difficulty in replacing what you do. So if you strongly work on point number 1 and 2, that need of what you do, and a need is already there. Only you have to cultivate that ability, work on your ability, work on your skill, and every day small improvements, definitely things are going to work for you. So if you work on 1 and 2, automatically third point will be taken care. So difficulty in replacing you. So you can be in organization. If you work on this first two, this thing 2 points in organization, it for management it is very difficult to replace you.
Absolutely.
So this works even in organization also where you are working, and even with the customer also. And that is the success story which I have realized with the 6.75 crore CR, because there was a need, but the ability, the how we formulated that entire thing technically, and where we played it. Okay, one thing, never cheat customer. Never ever cheat customer. What exactly they want, give that. Never cheat customer. Their customer is very smart. Today customer is very smart.
Yes.
And you have to learn from customer. So ability of what you do, and customer has difficulty to replace us. And let me tell you, before that, I started with this customer. I started only with 10 lakhs of order.
Oh.
In 2019.
Okay.
I started with 2018 November. I just started with 10, but at that time my burning desire was we need some big breakthrough with this customer.
Awesome.
And they had to. Our competitor was already working there.
Yeah.
He was well established, but we replaced, and now we have that success with us. And this is just the starting point of my career.
Sky is the limit for you.
Yes.
So Ronak, you are looked upon in the academy. People look up to you. You have already got one success story. You achieved that one goal, and this is your second interview with me. You are the only one who has got that real right to have the second interview.
Sure.
And that.
Yeah.
But so you also mentor the participants in the academy if they've got some challenges, and people are going to look up to you. And also members who are not a part of the academy, who are thinking, oh, one more online program. What would be your call of what they should do, about whether they should think about joining this program, and after they are joining, would they want to have their own version of the program, or something really follow blindly? What do you suggest?
Just to follow what is being exactly told you to do this, to do in this program. Just follow exactly. Don't do paralysis analysis, because so many people, people have done a lot of research on the actual success stories, and they have come out with the things. So it has to work. So don't think much on this, whether it will work or not work. Persistently just apply. Have a faith, persistently apply. Now since you have a burning desire to go, that means you have very clear destination, that where you want to reach. Only thing is, now you have to keep a faith, and then keep on doing. That's all. And there are beautiful practices which I am following since last 220 days. See, one of this is a gold card which I shared, and it's a written gold card, and so beautiful concept. So this is the gold card which daily I see, and all Nightingale, what you have asked us to listen the audio just 32 minutes, and since last 220 days, I am daily listening. I mean, no, even while driving a car or even in flight, I remember when I was traveling from Surat to Bangalore, I was literally listening because in the morning I missed that.
Sure.
And never ever I have missed. And now again, coming back to my sincere request to all the participants and everyone that follow exactly what is being asked to do in this Think and Grow Rich Academy. And I think you will, there is no, I don't
That's
see any other
that's the message for the audience, for the
that's
participants.
my clear message for the audience. Yes, that's
For the
my clear.
participants.
Yes, and I just want to share one incident which
Yes.
has really recently it has happened. One of the participant called me on Sunday and he asked, "Sir, I have gold card." I said, "Okay, fine, very good, sir. But many participants they are getting their results, that success very soon. But sir, it's not working for me." I said, "Boss, first of all, it's okay. You change your thinking. First of all, don't see who is getting what. We are not here to compete with others. Please compete with yourself. Just see your yesterday where you were, today where you are. Just see that. Please compete with yourself and realize the success on daily basis. And someday some big news will come and that will make your life."
Sure, sure. So, what is the
So
message, Ronak, which you would want to give to people who are not a part of the academy, who are still on the fence that whether should I join this academy or should I just read the book or should I make the gold card on my own? Why should I join the academy? What kind of support I will get? Is it an online program? What would be your inputs on that?
yeah, uh, yeah. My message is I have also this book since 2018. It is there with me. I was reading also, but really after joining this program, when I read this book, and since last almost 180 days, if precisely 180 days, I am constantly reading this book. One chapter, 30 days, repetition every day. So just by mere reading this book, things really does not work. It didn't work with me. This program is very, very much necessary to burn the concepts. These are all concepts. And if you burn it, if you learn it, burn it, and persistently apply it, results are going to come. I don't see any doubt in that. And this program is applied, I mean, is constructed so beautifully with very simple steps. It's no technicality involved where you have to apply your brain and nothing. You just have to absorb what is being said. So this is my message to community and all the other participants that please join this program if you want to really see the success. Because for me, money is not the only success. There is a purpose behind it. So if you really want to see the success and you want to enjoy that happiness achieving those success, so this program is must. I would say this is must. And in fact, one of the academy I said, I mean one of the institution, I said this program should be the part of the 10th standard, 12th standard and college. This should be the program of that curriculum. Yes,
Curriculum also.
yes, this is must.
Yeah. In fact, our US parent has got this particular program in the Virginia University, and very soon with the community which we are building in India, we'll soon have
Great.
this kind of thing in India. Because I think if we get at an early age, my son, when he got in a very early age, and and he's getting tremendous success the way you are, crossing all frontiers, even he is going to the next level for sure.
Amazing, and things are working. Yes.
So thank you so much, Ronak, for your time.
Thank you, sir.
I'm so happy for you, Ronak. I'm seeing you as a different person, right from the time when you entered the academy, you trusted, you joined the webinar and you registered the same day. And you have not my single mastermind call. For the next every Friday mastermind call, you come, wherever you are, you're in the flight, but you still make a point to see the recording. So hats off to you. You are keeping reading the book, Think and Grow Rich. You're living the book. You're not just reading the book, you are
No,
living the book.
yes,
Yeah. So,
loving and living. So,
loving and living. Very nicely put out. Yeah.
so really, it has
Finally, you
become
want
a
to say
part.
final words you want to say, Ronak, before we wrap it up?
Finally, I just want to say that just go for this, and if you really want to do something in your life, if you really want to achieve which was your really burning desire, whatever it is, your burning desire can be anything. uh, Think and grow rich is must. I
Wow.
mean, think and grow rich is must. There is no, because it, see, you have to change your perception. You have to change your thinking first. Then only your results are going to change. So if you want to change your result, first this has to change.
Wow, very nice.
So my again sincere request to all the participants of our academy, as well as those who are really willing to join this program, please go for it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Ronak.
I will end with one. I love this line.
Yes, please.
The thing which you wish to do. This is the line from Desire, chapter Desire. The thing which you wish to do, and if you believe in it, just go ahead and do it.
Wow, beautifully said.
So
Beautifully said. Yes,
that's how that's how I live the Think and Grow Rich.
Amazing. Congratulations, Ronak, and beautiful insights. Wonderful success story, Ronak. We are so happy for you. I can see the smile. I can see the enthusiasm. I can see the charm on your face. You are a true embodiment, a true living example of how you can literally, really think and grow rich by living these principles, loving these principles. This is Ronak Desai. Thank you so much, Ronak Desai, for your time.
Thank you,
He
sir.
is the
Thank
National
you.
Sales Head of Jeff Techno Solutions. He started as a RBDM, Regional Business Development Manager, and within it takes about 4 to 5 years to reach the national sales head, and he has crossed it in the next just 8 to 10 months. Highest ever sales of 6.75 crore, one single short order in the history of his company. He's not only just learning, he's living, and he's applying the principles of Think and Grow Rich. If you would like to have a similar success story, if you want to become the king or queen of your sales in your industry, in your market, then just don't think. Just click on the link below and enter our academy, and we will make sure that you go to the next level. Like Ronak Desai's success story, subscribe to our channel, press on the bell notification, and so that we can give you lots and lots of new videos. Every second day, a success story is coming across from our community. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, Ronak, for giving your time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Success to go to the
all
next
your
level.
blessings. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.